My name is Will Andrews, and I'm the Deputy State Maintenance Engineer, and this is Engineers Week 2026. One cool engineering feat that I wanted to be a part of, especially since I worked at MDOT, was the recovery effort after Hurricane Katrina. Hearing some of those stories those guys told when they had to rush down there after the storm and just kind of figure out how to open roads back. I, of course, don't want a storm like that to ever happen again, but hearing stories like on Highway 90 when there's a casino washed in the middle of the road, you know, what do you do when there's a casino in the middle of the road? I mean, you can't just move it, so you might as well just blow it up. And, you know, that's what our guys did, and got all the debris out of the road and, you know, got the road back open in a timely manner. The I-10 bridge that was shut down, I remember hearing stories of the engineers and the contractors drawing plans on a napkin to figure out how to get traffic back flowing. That would have been a cool project to be a part of.